We're at the Indianapolis Motor Speedway, where Spectrum will soon make its debut into the world of racing.
We're talking about a 109-year tradition. We look to win this Sunday. The IndyCar is all about speed. Spectrum partnership is very similar to what we do in everyday life in racing. We have teammates, we have people in the field that we rely on every day for speedy service, install, and recovery. We have the same thing over my shoulder here at the Indianapolis 500.
When we're fighting for thousandths of a second, everything matters. Spectrum too is always looking for speed. For us, we're looking for speed on track, but fundamentally, both organizations, we want to be as fast as possible.
As a field technician, seeing all this stuff, seeing a team work in order to get the race car out and go fast, it's kind of inspirational trying to see what Spectrum is doing both on and off the track.
I think that the Spectrum livery looks amazing. I think it looks pretty hot.
This race, to win it, means everything to our partners and also at Meyer, Shank Racing. We look to win this Sunday.